Yes,
Big
I
old.
Right. So I'm going first.
I own you, bitch.
Okay then. First up, Ryan. Third up.
What?
Round 2.
Watch out.
Oh, you see me calling.
Rematch.
Rematch. Go for it, bitch. 2, 1,
One,
go.
He's gulping it down. All in one go. He's not stopping.
Oh, this is really intense, this is. That actually sounds like a heartbeat.
If you two vomit, you're gonna have to clean it up.
Then he'll be sick.
Obviously.
I don't think Ryan's going to do it anymore.
Almost done.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
Now that was better. Now, Triple D Dryden.
I'm gonna be honest, I do feel sick.
I'd be amazed if you can.
That's actually a song by Slipknot.
Right, are you
Here we
ready?
go. 3,
Are you sure you're ready? Ding! Ding, are you sure you're ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Where gulp it down in one.
That was me. That was really good.
Oh, I can smell a fart.
Here we go, here we go.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, that was good.
He birthed a cop.
Yes.
Definitely Dean on this one.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I ate your tattoo by accident.
Michael? My stomach really hurts now.
Who would you say?
I think you can all say for you can know why, Ryan. I think Dean's was better again.
Oh.
That's because I think I'm gonna be sick.
Okay, have fun.
Not me.
On buzzer, in front of the camera.
And the champion.
Ryan,
Peace!
do it in front of the camera for YouTube.
Oh. Cut.